Hey, hello again, Mike from the Charles Mill Marina. I'm here with an EX20R. Just into my showroom today. As you can see, it has an awesome black rail package upgrade, as well as the silver exterior. Super sharp boat. It's 20 foot, 10 inches long. It's 8.5 foot wide, and it has just an awesome layout for almost every family. So why don't you come on aboard and take a look at what this boat has to offer. One of the first things I do notice on this boat is the upgraded furniture. It's super plush, really comfortable, and it does have built-in cup holders here to keep your drink cold all summer long. As we move a little further back, another feature that I really like is this dual captain seat layout. So the captain and his first mate have an easy way to have a conversation. So if it's just cruising for two, a great layout for you. So go a little bit further back, we do see Starcraft's fiberglass helm here. It's extremely well made, very solid fiberglass, and it looks really, really sharp. On that, we do have the Bluetooth stereo system here. Super easy to use, connects right to your phone, provides great sound quality when you're on the lake. Finally, a couple other features that this boat has that will stick out. It does have some lit cup holders, as well as the power bimini top, which will open with just the push of a button. So all in all, a great boat for you and 9 of your best friends. And we do equip these with Yamaha outboards, which just do an absolutely great job of pushing this boat anywhere between 9.9 horsepower and a 115. If you think this is the boat for you, give us a call at 419-368-5951 or check us out on our website at www.charlesmillmarina.com.